In today's video, I'll show you how to create and set up a Wi-Fi hotspot on your iPhone. Let's get into the method. Open the main Settings app, and first we need to get the phone ready to set up the hotspot. To do this, you will need to check that Wi-Fi and data is turned on first. You can do this from the control center. If you have any data limits, you will need to consider this. You can now tap on the option called Personal Hotspot. Firstly, we can choose a password for the hotspot. Tap on the Wi-Fi password option to be able to customize this, and then tap on the check mark to confirm it. To enable the hotspot, turn on the toggle switch called Allow Others to Join. You can now search for Wi-Fi networks on your other devices. Look for the name shown in the text under the password box, as the name of your iPhone will be the network name. Use the password you set to connect to it, or follow the instructions for using another type of connection below, such as Bluetooth or wired. If you run into any problems with the hotspot, you can try using it with and without the Maximize Compatibility option enabled. You can change the name of the hotspot by changing the name of your iPhone on the About Phone page of the settings. This is within the General section. That's how to create and set up a Wi-Fi hotspot on your iPhone. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.